If you look close, they just snap the fence posts off.
Yeah, I mean,
The foundations are still there.
And there's trees on that.
Yeah,
fence
the
line.
tree line is distinctive
Yeah,
as
you
well.
you can see the dead trees here, or the, sorry, the, dormant, yes.
That
Deciduous.
square that you're talking about right there next to the truck?
Yeah, this one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's that family that Cheryl was talking about.
Yeah, and-
Kids.
And so there are like 6 tombstones within 5 inches apart.
Mhm. And then there's a big double base with no top
And then right up here, there's concrete that looked like it was a very massive monument at one point. It's gone.
on it. And then there's a collection of bases over here that look like they've been piled up that look like they would have 10, 12-foot tall obelisks on them that we don't know where.
Well, we always hear the legends and the stories about cemeteries. Oh, you know, people moved their family somewhere else. And
Where
it
they moved the
happens.
tombs.
It does happen. There's a cemetery called Riley that's on the backside of the Lake Louisville Dam. And we were in this cemetery staring up at Lake Louisville Dam. You go, you know, if that dam broke, this is a lake. Well, they've already said it would ruin Dallas all the way down. But they had a lot of family members that moved their family. They did not want to be in that floodplain.
There's one grave on the south side down there, that there's 2 headstones in the same grave. And that's Jim Thomas, when his wife died, he was moved to Restland. But then when his daughter died, they already had the plot, so they put her there. And they didn't need Jim's first stone because he's got a double stone with his wife.
So his
that's
stone's
why
still out there.
there's 2 stones there in the same spot.
So you brought up a good point, record keeping for your cemeteries.
Now, we do make an assumption that the body is on the east side of the monument. I know that's not always guaranteed, but we have to make some assumptions to start someplace, and that's one thing we do.
So y'all are using drones, is this?
This is just, yeah, this is a drone just doing for aerial, I use a lot in-house on the mapping to get the orientation of the burials, because,
It's nice.
yeah, so it's,
How high did you fly that?
100, I think 100 feet.
When they're big areas like this, you fly higher, you want to get better aerial, you
Fly
drop
low.
it down.
Mhm.
They're very large files.
Yeah, I think this one was around 200 photos I had to merge together.
We think you're wrong. We think the body's on the west side of the stone because the stones are all facing west.
No, the names are just on the facing the west.
Well,
But
the names are facing the body usually.
Okay.
no.
That is a good question. We have this conversation a lot. Traditional Christian cemeteries, the body is head to the west, feet to the east. The headstone is usually based on how you enter the cemetery. If you drive in, you enter from the west, people want to see it when they walk up. You'll be in a cemetery and they'll face 3, 4, 5 directions.
Here's
The name is not indicative of where the body is. Now, in a national cemetery, sometimes that is the case, where you got a road down the middle, and on one side the headstone is facing east, the other side west. So it's more about vision. And there's no written rule about any of this, but I've set tombstones since I was 11 years old, and I have set them in both directions. It's all about what's going on in the cemetery and how the family wants it. We've had them on 45s. So you got a double monument like an obelisk, you got one facing southwest, one facing northeast, or southwest northeast. So you really have to look at what's going on in the cemetery. But the key thing to all of it is it's a headstone. So if it's at the head and it's a traditional Christian cemetery, most likely the headstone, no matter which way the
What side
letters
the
are
letters are.
facing, it's at the head of the grave. And it's less likely that their feet are to the west and their head to the east. Now, you go through modern cemeteries that are architecturally designed, they curve, meander, go in circles, I mean, star patterns, you never know what you're doing. But traditionally speaking, headstone is on the west at the head, no matter which way the name's facing.
We have one where my husband's great-grandfather and his wife are married, headstone is the other way around. And we said, well, that's strange, why would you have the headstone facing the other way? They said, because when Grandma made the headstone for him, she had the inscription put on the left side, and he was buried on the right side. So she had to turn the stone around so that she was on the right
I
side.
have been out setting a monument and, the living family member went, we got the names backwards. And so as long as we hadn't cut anything on the other side, we just take it back to the shop, cut the same thing on that side, turn it one time, and we got the names on both
It's
sides.
like the one side blank.
So yes, it happens, and that's,
Okay. So these could be on the east side.
there's just a lot of traditions to it that, may or may not be the case in your cemetery. You really have to walk your cemetery to decide.
You would know.
We've also seen headstones, you've got, especially in tighter areas, you go to New York, places like that, it will be that way. You'll have a family that gets the front side of the monument that faces east, and a family that gets the west side. And so it's at their feet, it's not at their head. So it may have two families with 4 different names on it, it's both directions. But that's you usually tell walking in a cemetery how that happens. Anything to add to that?
I want to make it look really quick. So on the table, I put these little flyers. On the front side, we're advertising a webinar that we're having about a historic Texas cemetery designation workshop that we're doing. But on the back is a link to our website at the Texas Historical Commission. And we've got a ton of great stuff on there. Like Rusty was talking about locating unmarked graves. You've got GPR and resistivity and magnetometry. There are pros and cons to all of those approaches and situations where one would be more advisable than the other. And we've got a whole document on our website that will walk you through that process.
Highly recommend it.
Yeah, and
I send
then,
it to our clients to back up what we're saying.
absolutely. And then Deborah was talking about, guidelines for rescuing a neglected cemetery and the importance of documentation before you go in and do any cleaning. We've got some information on that, so thank you for that.
An entire hand.
Yeah, we do. There's a lot of really good stuff on our website. So these are out by the door where you can pick one up from me, contact information, and all that good stuff. So,
And I'm assuming you're here on a personal capacity?
of course. No, wait, like I said, we do have a lot of resources. Cemetery preservation is something that we're seeing a lot more interest in. But as I think Deborah said really well, we do want people to practice a do no harm approach to their preservation projects. And so we've got a ton of information that can help you with that. And there are a lot of cemeteries out there that do need our help. We estimate there are 50,000. We know we've got mapped about 24,000 of them. So we're still on the hunt for a lot more of them. So
Okay, I'd like to
as we can
say thank you for all of you coming to this event, especially our 3 speakers, well, our 4th speaker, actually.